Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and this is Just Your Budgets. Today we are working on Food Truck Friday, something we haven't done in a while, and now we're going to get back into it. So I pulled out the stuff from my wallet and we have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and $42 to put into Food Truck Friday. Food Truck Friday is a savings challenge that comes from Jess over at Tobin Budgets. And so sorry, friends. Allergies with the weather changing and stuff like that is kicking mine and my son's butt. So it has been a fun week. Let me just look for a 12-sided dice really quickly. It's 20. Okay. So we take a 12-sided dice and our, is it in here? 3-sided dice, yes. And we roll. There are 14 challenges in here, but we take, since there's never anything, because we're using 2 dice, there's never anything to land on 1. If we land on 15, that counts as number 1. So let's go ahead and just jump on in here. It has been a while since we played, so maybe we'll finish some things up and maybe we won't. And then the next thing we're going to probably be doing with cash is a Harry Potter binder, but I haven't fully decided that just yet. So let's go ahead and get started. We have 3 and 1, that is 4. So this is going to debt, and we're going to use a 6-sided dice for this. It looks like we've been using a 6-sided dice, and it's going to be a 3. So let's take 2 back and put in our 5. So this now has 55, 56, 57. And then we are going to go ahead and roll again. We have 13. Number 13 is going towards Christmas. Let's go ahead and save the 8. Let's see. 9 and 10. We'll take the 10 and we'll put these 2 10s back for the 20. So this now has 45. We need to mark off this 8. Okay, just give this a moment to dry. So I hope everyone had a great week. Mine has been busy as always. Let's see, number 5. This one here, this is going to the kids. Going 5, I think we finished on the 3 last time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's going to be $4 going in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This now has 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a $35 challenge. Okay, number 4. Let's go back here. I'm going to take our 6-sided dice. Excuse me. And that's going to be a 1. It doesn't look like we've gotten a 1 before. And this again is going to debt. So that'd be a nice hefty challenge going to debt. $14. Okay. 14 is going to my shop small. And we're going to color in, let's do my 3-sided dice. We're going to do 3. So let's see. One, two, 3. So we're going to add $6 because each one is $2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll take 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll put a 10 in here. Okay. It's a 9 and 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks like a French fry, which is going to be $6. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, oh, we have 6 right here. Let's put these 2 5s back and take this 10. Let's do that. And this is going to lawn care. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's going to be this one here. This is going to debt again. Let's roll 6-sided dice. We're going to be putting $5 in here. For debt, I do need to start working on filling my HOA as well. It looks like we can go one more round. 12 and 13. This is going to Christmas. Let's see what we have. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's go ahead and put the 7 in here. Okay. Excuse me. So this should now have 52, 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52 going towards Christmas. And then that leaves us with $2. So I think I'm going to stop there because I don't want an IOU. We're going to put this in here like this. There. And then we'll pick that up for next time. Thank you all so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to stick around, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, everyone.